Good morning, this is Jeannie, and I just wanted to show you this carrot wreath that I made. Actually, I made this last year, and it's been, sitting on a shelf, just waiting to come back out again for Easter this year. But it was so easy, and I'll give you the link to a blog post that I did. It was a complete tutorial on how to do it. But it was made on a Unique in the Creek triangle board, and you can see these little zip ties. And I used just a plain, well not plain, but just metallic mesh. And this is a mesh that doesn't have heavy foil, it's just regular metallic mesh, but it's the ruffle technique, and you can see even with the less density. I mean, we have other mesh that has heavier foil and has better coverage, but even just a plain metallic mesh, when you use it in a ruffle technique like this, it has really good coverage. And you just make the ruffles. This was 10-inch mesh. You make the ruffles and attach them with zip ties. I think you can see on the back there, the zip ties go through the holes and you attach them. And then I just made a hanger out of some chenille stem. And then for the top part, I took some greenery bushes that just, kind of resembled carrot tops, and I hot glued those in, just into the mesh there and into the board. So, and that gives you an idea of how large it is too. So, it makes a really nice size wreath for your front door for Easter, and it's really easy to do. Thanks for watching.